Residents of Langpih sector in West Khasi Hills district along with Ramrai Jirngam member of District Council Bajop Pinrop met Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tingsong stating the village wants to remain with Meghalaya. Following the meeting, Pinrop said 39 villages have signed a joint memorandum where they stated that they want to remain in Meghalaya. Pinrop said that a settlement of Langpih sector will be complicated, but with 95% of the residents wanting to be in Meghalaya, it won't be hard for the regional committees to take a call. It may be mentioned that Langpih sector will come under the second phase of chief ministerial level discussion between Assam and Meghalaya to settle the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya.
As we know, Langpih is very complicated, but as I said, with 95% of the residents of that particular sector decided that they want to be in Meghalaya, I think it won't be hard for the regional committees to take a call because they have to go with the majority. And yes, with the 5% also, we are working on it. The HIMA will do its homework, how to convince them also that they support when the regional committees come and visit in the field, that they will support Meghalaya.
Meghalaya Home